grass grows, where the wildfires fertilize, with ashes of sparrows, peppered moths and butterflies, ghosts of trees and termites bloom in the beanstalk. And if you get lightheaded when standing too fast, from shaking out the weight of phosphines and past salt deposits on warm little rivers that burst from our words. And God knows crying ain't gonna change a thing. She said take care, but I take more than I bring. She said it just feels inhumane to lose this much. 'Cause when you leave, you know you take more than your love. Wake up in a cicada days, we're losing touch. And I know it just feels inhumane to lose this much. Our veins were tangled under plastic stars that were all glow in the dark, hanging over queen-sized purple waves of ancient chemicals, just whisper. And if you ever build with those endangered bones, well, the ground looks soft enough to bury this now. Oh, please, oh no. And then my sponsor said, do nothing, nothing works. And then my doctor said, don't do that if it hurts. She said it just feels inhumane to lose this much. 'Cause when you leave, you know you take more than your love. Wake up in a cicada days, we're losing touch. And I know it just feels inhumane to lose this much. Oh, let all my red flags fade to white, yeah, I give up. Don't let me leave, I'll only take more than I gave. Okay, I'll pack my stuff. I'm counting up cicada days till I wake up. And my God, it feels damn inhumane to lose this much. Oh, 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 oh. So keep coming back, it works.